Let me guide you through creating a viral historical video using AI and CapCut, showing you essential tips and techniques along the way. First, we need to carefully develop a compelling historical theme that hooks the audience's interest effectively. First, we must craft a captivating script, ensuring it starts with an engaging word or intriguing fact to hook the audience's attention. Even a fact can be expressed this way. For instance, did you know that one mistake once changed the course of history dramatically? Of world history. For example, we could explore that and tell this story in just about 30 seconds. After wrapping your script in an engaging way, you can create your historical video in just about 30 or even 60 seconds. Next, let's move ahead. To create the images for this, you'll need to visit a specific platform where you can generate relevant visuals, as you can see here. In a chat like GPT or another platform designed for creating images, you can easily generate visuals to enhance your storytelling, just like this. In this CapCut app, you can create engaging text or even a poster. For instance, as you can see here, you've created an image. If you didn't like it, simply enter the app and go to the poster section. Add your chosen image and then write your desired text here. Now, after completing everything, you should consider what changes you'd like to make. Next, seamlessly move on to the voiceover process. Let's enter your project space together. First, you create your voiceover, then add the required text. Ensure everything looks just right before moving forward. Progress carefully. Now let's add the text you've created carefully and ensure it fits well within your video. After adding the text, it will seamlessly blend into your project to enhance the overall quality. To transform your project, simply click here to add the voiceover. It's all easy and straightforward. You can also include additional elements as needed. Adding subtitles depends on your preference. It's up to you how you want to format them once you finish your video project. Click on the Auto Captions feature to easily add subtitles. And that's all. Thank you for watching, and best of luck to everyone. Goodbye for now.